Lads, I'm not even gonna lie. This is probably gonna be the most important video we ever make. Let's jump right into it. A lot of people choose to not stream on YouTube because there's very little interactivity with it. So that's why me and my friends over at Gezels are after making YTCR, which is YouTube Channel Rewards. Basically what this does is that it allows you to have channel points or channel rewards over on YouTube the same way you do on Twitch. If you are a viewer and you're not a streamer and you just want this, all you have to do is download the Chrome extension. Streamers, I'm going to walk through a full step-by-step guide on exactly how to get this set up following the wiki that we've created. If you watch a streamer and you think that they would gain from having channel rewards, please share this video with them or share the links in the description for the wiki and how to get everything set up. Because the more people that use something like this, the faster YouTube will implement something like this on their own accord. We've done our absolute best to make this as simple as possible for you guys, and I'm going to walk you all through it now. There's going to be timestamps down below in case you get lost along the way. And if you have any follow-up questions, we have a Discord. You can tweet at us, or you can come into my stream on this channel. We stream a couple of times a week, so you can come in there and let us know, and I'll be always happy to help. So there's a few prerequisites that you'll need to do. So this is built with StreamerBot in mind. So it's going to pull your Twitch channel points from StreamerBot, and then it's going to, connecting with our WebSocket, push them over to the YouTube extension. So the first thing you're going to want to need is to make sure you have StreamerBot 1.8 installed. It's the latest version by the time this video comes out. It's not currently out at the time of recording, so my StreamerBot may look a little different than yours, but everything should be the exact same. You also want to make sure that inside of StreamerBot, you connect and auto-connect to your Twitch account and to your YouTube account. You need to be connected to Twitch in order to make the channel points. This hopefully won't be a limitation in the future as we talk with Nate and the boys over at StreamerBot to try get some sort of implementation in place. But for now, this is the process. If you're watching in the future and StreamerBot has like a Gezels or YTCR integration, you can completely ignore this part. Once you're all connected, the first thing you have to do is import our strings. So there's two actions that you'll need to import all within one string, and it's going to be there on the wiki. The preferred method would be just to click this button here to download it. This is it here, ytcr.gezels. Press download. Once you download that file, go over to your StreamerBot and click on actions, right click anywhere and select import. From here then, you're going to want to go into your downloads folder. You're going to want to take that and drag it over right here. Now you should see set channel rewards and execute channel reward redeems. You have to do is press import, and now you should see a new category in your StreamerBot with those exact two things right here. We're not entirely done yet, however. Both of those actions are going to have a sub action and are going to be executing some C# code. This is the only bit where you'll actually need to edit some code, but it's very, very simple. Click into each one. So we're going to go into the top one first, double click here, and you should see the C# code. You should also see change me to your channel ID. What you want to do is head over to YouTube advanced settings and get your channel ID from there. There is a link in the wiki, but it is just youtube.com/account_advanced. You want your channel ID here. I'm just going to press copy. What you want to do then is just replace inside these quotes with that ID. Now it's time to press compile. And this is something that may happen depending on your version of StreamerBot. If you see this error, it basically means that StreamerBot can't find something called Newtonsoft. So what you want to do is click on references, right click here and add reference from file. From here then you want to navigate to where you have StreamerBot installed, and if you scroll down you should be able to find Newtonsoft. So here it is here, for example, newtonsoft.json.dll. Press open and it's going to add it there. If you go back to the compile log and try to compile, you're going to see now that it compiled successfully. All you have to do is do save and compile. We're going to have to do the exact same thing on the set channel rewards as well. So just double click, remove that, but keeping the quotes, paste in your channel ID over the references, add references, navigate over to where StreamerBot is installed. And then from there, you can even just start typing Newtonsoft, clicking that and pressing open. When you try to compile again, it's going to compile successfully. The next step after this would be connecting to the WebSocket. So the WebSocket is basically what tells StreamerBot that, hey, you know, these points have been redeemed, and it also sends it to the WebSocket saying these are the channel rewards available. So connecting to the WebSocket is quite simple, and we have it all laid out here, but we're going to go through it side by side. Inside of your StreamerBot, you want to head over to servers clients and then WebSocket clients. Inside this white box then, just right click and press add. And this is basically where we're going to fill in most of the information. So I'm going to call it Gezels YTCR. We head over here, then we can see the endpoint. So we're just going to take that, paste it into the endpoint. It says we should auto connect on startup and reconnect on disconnect. So we'll tick those boxes. TLS 1.0 is perfect. And now we just want to make sure that these are all set correctly. So connected should be set channel rewards, and the message should be execute channel. This is exactly how it should look on your side. And we also have a screenshot on the wiki to make sure that you follow the process. Once you're done that, press OK. This is most of the work, to be honest, so we're pretty much almost there. You just want to right click on it, press connect, and while we're here, you may as well save settings. There's still some configuration to be done, and this part is really about how much channel points do you want to give your viewers and on what time interval. So for example, do you want to give 100 points every 5 minutes? Do you want to give 200 points every 20 minutes? Something basically like that. All you have to do is go to ytcr.gezel.io. Again, link is going to be down below, and it's also a part of the wiki. And for this present moment, you're going to be greeted with this pretty much blank page. All you want to do is go up to here and click the login/sign up. Because you're logging in for the first time, you're going to want to press the sign up button. For here, I'm going to enter my username, which is IRL create, set up my email, it should be tommy@gezel.io. My YouTube channel ID, so again, we're going to need this. And then you can create a password for yourself. Once you're done that, then you can press the sign up button. As a way to secure your YouTube account and to make sure that no one else basically tries to claim your channel and start making fake channel rewards on your side, we chose to go with Discord for authentication. So this does mean that you're going to have to make sure that your channel is linked inside of your Discord. If you don't know how to do that, just go into your Discord and press the settings button, and then you should see the connections tab. Now you should be able to see here if your YouTube channel is connected. If it's not here, all you have to do is just press the YouTube button and set up your channel there. This basically just allows us to verify that you are the owner of the channel, and we can add those points to your channel. We went the Discord route because we thought we could further implement this with a Discord bot to allow maybe some basic commands inside your Discord server that you can have, so /points, and the user can find out how many points they have. Doing it this way allows us to just have a bit more integration. So continuing with the tutorial, you just want to press the click here to continue. It's going to prompt you then, do you want to authorize this with your Discord? Just press authorize, and then you should be greeted with this screen. So this right here is your YouTube rewards. So you get to choose how often people get points and how many points they should get for that. We're going to set it to, let's say, 5 minutes. It's the minimum of 5 minutes, to 50 points every 5 minutes. So then you can also enter in a name for your channel. So that way people can go to ytcr.gezel.io/c/your username. And what that allows them to do is be able to see how many channel points that they currently have and how many channel points in general people have on your channel. So for this, I'm going to enter IRL create. We're going to press submit. To show you that page I was talking about before with your data, just go to ytcr.gezel.io/c/IRL create, for example. And here I'll be able to see everybody who has the extension and how many points that they have generated. So your next step now is to actually make sure that you have channel points there for your viewers. So this is the part basically where Twitch comes in. So inside your StreamerBot, you want to navigate to Twitch and channel point rewards. From here then, the extension is going to look for 3 things. If it's enabled, what group it's in, and if there's any user input required. If the reward is not enabled, it won't show up in the extension. Inside of StreamerBot, you need to make sure that it's in the group called YTCR. You can easily do that to any of your channel points by going here. So let's say we're going to take King of the Hill, for example. If we just double click that, we should be able to see the group. So here then you can just type in YTCR, and it's easy to go. If you ever want to remove something from a group really quickly, you can always just right click on it and go to group and then just set it back to none. And then the last thing it's going to look for is if there's any user input required. So that's basically when you're doing a channel point on Twitch and it makes you type something in before it can get sent. Currently YTCR doesn't support this, so we're just not pushing those channel points over to YouTube at this time. We're looking into ways to get this added in a further update, and we will make some noise on our Discord and our Twitter when that comes out. So make sure that you're in those. So let's make an unlisted stream and show you this actually working. So what you're going to see now is basically this new extension right here. So if you click on this button, for example, it's going to actually bring you to that same profile page where you can see all the different users and how many points that they have. You can also see here that there's a little % sign beside this symbol. This is because you're the streamer, so you have infinite points in your own stream. When you click into that, you should be able to see all of your channel points. These are mine, for example, from the StreamerBot. So again, as you can see here, they're set to enabled, and they're inside the correct group, and none of them have user input required. So now, for example, if I do a CJ appears, we should see CJ. And it's just that simple. So you can even see that there's a message here as well. So it shows you who redeemed what. So because I pressed the button myself, IRL Create has redeemed CJ appears, which is the name of the reward. The possibilities with this is just endless. This opens up YouTube to being an actual viable streaming option for a lot of people who have interactive scenes and interactive everything. StreamerBot coming to YouTube is probably going to be one of the best things to happen to YouTube streaming in a very long time. And I don't really want to squish my own bottom here, but that just goes even further with this Gezels YTCR extension. Again, the only thing your viewers have to do is just install this Chrome extension and then refresh their page. They will start then generating some channel points and be able to interact with you on your stream. We do plan on bringing more features to this as well. As I mentioned, we do plan on bringing some Discord integration so the people on, let's say, the mobile app can still do things like this. We do want to try and bring this just to general, just chat commands instead of YouTube as well. But the problem with that is that YouTube have quotas. Basically, it can only happen so many times before YouTube eventually block you and you need to request more quota. So the more people that use this, it would actually eventually become a problem and therefore it would eventually break for everybody. We're hoping that YouTube kind of raise the bar for this a little bit, like other platforms like Twitch, Trovo, everything like that. They don't really have this same type of quota. So it is something that I really do hope that YouTube do start moving in the right direction of. Again, the download links for all of this are going to be down below, as well as timestamps. So if you get lost and confused or anything like that, you can always come and check out one of my live streams over here on YouTube, and you can ask me any questions and you can see it even working in real time on my side. I've been Tomo from IRL Create. I love and appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.